So we've organised an event called Buffet of the World. It's organised between the Masters in Hospitality and the Masters in Culinary Arts.
We had to choose one dish that represents our country, one dish normal and one vegetarian. Some guys are doing desserts. So we're gonna put together all of them in the Buffet of the World, all the countries with each dish that represents every country. It's gonna be amazing because it's really international. It's going well because we've been preparing this for a long time. We know all the numbers, we did all the calculations about how much we're gonna spend and which ingredients we need it for. So today is just more enjoying and cooking because we did all the logistics before today.
I love it because I feel like it has a part of everyone. It has a personal touch, and we're making it also personalized by having some of the decoration be inspired by our countries. And we're having also a world map that's signed by the class of 2023 from Culinary and Hospitality Management students as a souvenir to the school.
It's really good. It's a really good idea. It gets everyone involved. It gets us working with two masters. Hopefully everything goes well.
It's good. It's something nice. I don't think we've never gotten a chance to experience something like this. We got to try everybody's dishes from everywhere. So it's a pretty good experience.
It's nice to see my partners here to enjoy the moment, and the music, everything is very cool vibes.
And this is a great time for us to say thank you for all the teachers, and this event is very meaningful for all of us. Just for, to say thank you.